Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, we want to do the unboxing of the Pride Jazzy Carbon 27X. Now this chair can support 275 pounds of weight. It is airline approved. The top speed is around 3.7 miles per hour, so just under 4 miles per hour. You get a battery range that is up to 8 miles. You can also add a second battery, which I'll show you how that works here in a second. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you the unboxing of this and what to expect. So you can see I got these two straps, I'm going to cut those. And like most folding electric wheelchairs, there's really no assembly. It's just a matter of attaching the joystick, sometimes the battery, and you're good to go. So you can put it on its side. I'm going to pull it straight out. Here's a cushion that comes standard. We've also got the owner's manual inside here. Here's your charger. And I've got another box here. I think this might be the battery. Let's see, let me open this up. And that's all that's in this. There's nothing else in the box. Okay, so this is the cup holder. You can add a cup holder on the side. And of course, here is the battery. So what I'm gonna do is unpackage all of this stuff and we'll continue with setting this up. All right, so now we've got everything out of all the packaging. So this is the chair. I did nothing to this. The only thing is the joystick is flipped upside down, which is good in case it would happen to get damaged somehow. So I'm just gonna take that out by loosening this knob and just sliding it right back in. So now it's upright. This is another thing too. So it has a locking mechanism here. So I'm gonna unlock that, pull out from the side and the armrest, and then just push down right here. And then on the back, I can pull these up and you'll see it'll snap right into place. And here's your calf pad. So these are individual leg rests. They actually can be tucked out of the way, so I can tuck them in like that, which is nice when you're transporting it. Now we got a seat cushion, comes standard. You get some padding. So there are straps on the back. Let's see. I'm not gonna strap it for now, but these are here because you can just set it right down on here. As I mentioned, here's your cup holder. It's definitely a unique cup holder that you don't typically see. And it slides in here on the side. And you'll see this sticks out, that goes right into here. There, so that's locked into place. Then on the other side is where you put the battery. And the battery's protected really well. It has this foam around it. And it has that carbon fiber glossy finish to it. So same thing, I'm gonna line up this right here to connect the battery and just slide it right down into place. So here's your two motors. I got them in the locked or in the engaged position. So you'll see this button right here and it says battery L, which is for the left side, battery R on the right side. So if you want, so in order to, like if I have this button pressed, it's gonna try to draw power from this battery. And obviously there's not a battery on the left side. You have to press this down so it draws power from this right battery. And now I can power it on. And the chair is drawing power from this battery. On the other side, this is where the cup holder is. If I press this button, I can release this. And you can purchase a second battery. You can see there's teeth here, and you can slide a second battery on this track. And when you do that, it doubles the range from 8 miles up to 16 miles. And if you wanted to, the great thing about that is right now we're drawing power from this battery. And then if you purchase the second battery, once this battery runs out, you would press the button at the top position. So it's going to draw power from this battery on the left side. Now, one thing to note is when you charge the batteries, you can charge on the joystick directly, But if you do that, it only charges one battery at a time. So if I'm gonna charge this battery specifically, this button needs to be pushed down, so it's gonna charge the battery on the right side. Once that's fully charged, I can press the button up and it'll charge the other battery. You can also charge directly off the chair, so you can bring this in your home and charge the battery inside your home and leave the chair inside your garage if you wanted to do that. But you can only charge one battery at a time. So if you want to charge both at the same time, you could purchase an additional charger and you could charge them both off the unit.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. Or you can also click on free catalog at the top of our website and just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
All right, so let's start at the joystick. I believe this is the same joystick that's on the Jazzy Ultralight. Simplistic joystick. You got your speed control up or down. Again, the top speed is going to be 3.7 miles per hour. Power button. Here's your battery gauge. There's your horn. Armrests do flip up. And again, this is where the charging port is, where we showed you previously. The armrest can flip back like that. So this allows for transfers in and out of the seat when you do that. If you were left-handed, it's easy to move the joystick to the left side. There's already an opening here, and then you just move this knob over as well. You just have to fish the wiring on the other side. Let's get some measurements of this. So the width of this chair, 18 inches. Depth, it's got a lot of depth to it. It's about a little over 19 inches. Now ground to top of the seat. Come on this side. It's going to be 21.5 inches. But it does have a dump in the seat, so it actually, that's at this point, but if you were to get the measurement here, it's going to be more like 20 inches. Now on to the back of the chair. So as I said, there's two motors. Looks like they are 150 watt motors each, so 300 watts between the two. And right now they are both in the drive position. As you can see here, that means locked is in the drive position. If I wanted to unlock this, I press both of these back. Now you can push the chair like a manual wheelchair, and you already have the built-in handles. So you can stretch your feet, kind of walk around a little bit, but you're not gonna be able to operate it when they're in freewheel. So you have to push these back forward so they're both in the lock position. And now the electromagnetic brakes are engaged, so I won't be able to push it. But that does allow you to turn it on and use the chair. And when I let go of the throttle, the brakes engage. So another measurement, I got the seat width, which was, seat width is 18. Distance between the armrests, it's actually a little less, it's about 17.5 inches. Now, if I get a measurement of these wheels, they are flat free tires. It's about 6.5 on the front, and the rear is about 10. We are giving away a free mobility scooter. Now, from the past of doing this giveaway, this is an authentic giveaway too, guys. We're actually giving these away to real people. This is not something that's set up. We give these to real people that actually subscribe and comment on our videos. But what we're finding is that a lot of times people are hard to get a hold of, and we want to give away to people that are supporting us. So moving forward, if you want to be eligible for this, all you have to do is comment on any video, subscribe to our channel, and then once you've done those things, send us an email at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'll put that on the screen, and then put your username of your YouTube name, and we're going to verify that you subscribed and you commented, and we'll we'll have your email, so then we'll be able to let you know if you are one of the winners of our next giveaway. So just wanted to share that with you. So let's show you how to fold this. So the first thing I'm gonna do is flip up these, I'm gonna flip these foot plates up and then tuck them away, just like this. You can take this off, this little calf pad. You don't have to have it secured by Velcro, but I'll leave it on for now. The next thing I'm gonna do is just take off the cushion. Next thing I'm gonna do is press these two buttons to fold the back of it down. It does have a cushion too, by the way, which I forgot to mention. Not a cushion, a pouch. We got a storage pouch right here on the back. So that's all the storage you're getting. And before I flip this down, I'll show you one other thing. This is an adjustment strap. You can make this a little more firm if you wanted to, a little more loose. So I'm gonna press both of these buttons and flip this, the back of the seat back down. And then at this point, you just pull this up and this folds in. It's very compact and narrow. And you'll notice that the motors are beside each other. So one just kind of sits in front of the other, and that's so you can get to this most compact position. So the width of the chair at this point is gonna be where the back wheels are. A little over 10 inches, about 10 inches, 10 and a quarter. And then the height with it folded is going to be about 30.5 inches. And if I get the length measurement with it folded, it's going to be about 32.5. So very compact chair. Now another great thing about this is it's approved for airline travel. So the airline's going to require you to remove the battery. So easy to take that off. You just press this button and then you just pull up from here. Also, they make it really easy to remove the joystick. You don't have to remove the joystick, but I would recommend doing it because they make it easy. I just press this button. The wiring right here will disconnect, and then I can unscrew this and take the joystick on too. You don't want to get the joystick damaged. So now I've got what I need to take as a carry-on, and then you check this with the airline. So really easy to do. So let me put this back on. Connect this here. We'll slide this back on. So once you get off the plane, you can easily put that back on. And then this is what I showed at the beginning of the video. Just a little thing keeps it locked, so it doesn't have the ability to unfold when you're traveling or you're flying with it. This will just keep it in that locked position. So I'll unlock that, pull out the armrest just to get the unfolding process started. And then I'll just push down from here, pull these up, and then get the foot plates unfolded and add the cushion. So yeah, I think this is the first ever sideways folding electric wheelchair that Pride has come out with. But I like the glossy finish of the carbon fiber. Kind of gives you this glossy look. Yeah, another thing, you can remove the leg rest if you wanted to. You do need some tools for that. I think that, yeah, I was just seeing if you could adjust the height. It looks like you cannot adjust the height of these. But yeah, with the battery removed, then you can the ability to remove the joystick, get it down to 27 pounds. Yeah, so I like to do this in a lot of videos and just show you for reference. So I am 6'4" in height. I weigh 235, so I'm under the weight capacity. This is what I look like as a side profile. This is comfortable to me. I think this is fine. So I feel like if you're my height, as long as you're under the weight capacity, I think you'll be comfortable in this chair. Another thing I like is the reinforced frame or reinforced armrest here. So when I get out of this chair, I can put my weight on the armrest to get out or to get in. And I know that's a concern some people have. People put a lot of weight on these when they get in and out, and you can do that on this chair. So, Jazzy Carbon 27X, it's brand new to the industry. If you have any questions about it, give us a call. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching. As I hit that box, you guys have a good day.